Okay, so if we are talking about NFTs, it's mandatory that we talk about Ethereum, the main blockchain that is allowing us to issue NFTs and have these token standards like ERC20, ERC 721, and other smart contract standards that allow us to issue these NFTs. Let me remove myself to this side and let's get into it. So Ethereum was first described by Vitalik Buterin in 2013 in his white paper, where it was described as a next-generation smart contract and decentralized application platform. Ethereum has its native currency called Ether, ticker symbol ETH, which we are going to see later, and which has a market cap around $235 billion in March 2021. Ether is used both for transactions and used as a currency to reward the miners for their work through the transaction fees that are paid by users in smart contracts. And per day, Ethereum processes more than 1 million transactions, which are approximately like 4 times more than Bitcoin. It's important to say that Ethereum is completely free to read. That is, you can check and read the blockchain. It's completely public, but it's not free to write. To write on the blockchain, if you want to write any code, any smart contract, any data transaction, or any new NFT, you need to pay transaction fees, also called gas. And these transaction fees kind of work like this. You can see who is in a party, and you can hear the music that they are listening to, but to enter the party, you have to pay, okay? Ethereum is also described like a second generation blockchain, being Bitcoin, the Bitcoin blockchain, the first generation, because Ethereum supports for the first time in the blockchain history smart contracts and the scripting functionality. Smart contracts allow a world of possibilities, and they can do pretty much anything, and they can automate any business logic, and they are self-executing computer code that lives in a decentralized blockchain. And we are going to detail what are the smart contracts a bit later, so no need to worry what are smart contracts now. But yeah, you can basically build anything on top of these smart contracts using a programming language called Solidity. And these programs runs on the EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine. And you can see this EVM has a gigantic Turing-complete decentralized virtual machine that is distributed across all the Ethereum nodes worldwide, which at the moment I think are 8,500 nodes. And you can also participate with the nodes. And you can pretty much execute anything, including the smart contracts are related to NFTs. The trade-off of this infrastructure is that sometimes it's a bit expensive, and sometimes transaction fees can be a bit expensive. Because, as I said, Ethereum is now using proof of work, but it's planned to change to proof of stake in less than 2 years' time with Ethereum 2.0, and this is going to improve, no doubt, the transaction fees and the speed of the network. Entire new industries are being built on the top of Ethereum. Hundreds of ICOs have raised billions of dollars. Many NFTs marketplaces are buying and selling and creating non-fungible tokens for art, collectibles, and CryptoKitties and CryptoPunks. Dozens of DeFi projects are running on the top of the Ethereum blockchain, building entire new financial industries. And Ethereum is really a huge universe of possibilities and applications, and there is a lot of creativity going on. Ethereum is really the most popular smart contract platform, which has nurtured a really good ecosystem consisting of thousands of developers who keep improving the Ethereum blockchain. It has also a huge amount of value locked in smart contracts and all these smart contracts that are like dealing with NFTs, for example. And Ethereum is an excellent choice to keep doing decentralized finance and NFTs.